everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share My Creative Times 140th edition release. We're having a hop here and on Instagram. Here are the things you need to do to win April 2024 entire release. You must be 18 years old or older. Please follow or subscribe to each designer. Please comment on each stop. Must be a U.S. residence. Here on YouTube, we have My Creative Time, Shabby Pink House, Jillian Norwood, Melissa Carroll, myself, and a Creative Muse. So make sure you go through all of the parts of the hop to try to win the entire release. And now on to the papers.
All right, so let's start out with this one here. I'm just going to slide this one over and hopefully you can see everything. I might have to turn it sideways just in case so that we can get the full view of everything. This one's flowers. We have some beautiful little hearts there, so cute. Yellow with black polka dots. And then on the back side of this is like a wood grain, and it has script writing on there. Hopefully you can see that. And then pink polka dots, pink paper with black polka dots. And more script writing. This one's pink and it does have the wood grain, and hopefully you can see that wood grain. And then there goes that like yellow orange type paper there, and then same on the back side, the script writing. This one is so pretty, and I believe this one would go pair well with this here. I'm going to do that for sure. I love this one. It has little flowers on there, and then script writing, and then there goes the black and white polka dot. And I think that's it, yeah, and then it repeats. All right, let's get into that other paper. One, like I said, it's the plain one, and this one's really pretty. It has little small dots on there, if you can see it. I'm not sure, but it's really pretty. I like that. And then this one has like a typewriter printing on here, and it has a little designer accent in there. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then there goes the yellow with the little specks. And then more writing there for you. Pink. And then there goes that yellow orange paper. And then that one and the gray. Sorry about taking that table. And more writing. And then the black. And then that one has the writing on the back of that. Really pretty paper. I'm so glad she did a combo set so I don't have to look for matching papers. And it looks so nice and so springy. All right, so these are the dies. First day we had the Bumblebee Gnome dies, which there's 9 in that set, and then we also had the Stay Beautiful dies, which there's 3 in that stamp and die set. So Bumblebee Gnomes, it's going to be this up, and My Creative Time should do a video for you or explaining how you would layer up the gnomes. If not, just let me know and I can come back and do the video for you. And then here goes the other set, Stay Beautiful, and that has 3 in that set. And this is the sentiment dies, love that. And then let me show you the stamps, and there it goes. Love this set, and I love that little layering sentiment die set to go with this. Just super cute. And that's another bead that I can use at a later date. So that was day 1's release. And make sure you go back and get all of the information for all the products that I use for day 1, day 2, and day 3. It'll be in those videos. And I'll also have them linked down below. Day 2 was the Pretty Scallop Heart dies. And these are 6 in this set. Love this, and this coordinates with all of her other Pretty Scallop products, so really cute set. I only used these 2 this time. I haven't used the largest one, but I really like the cards that I made with this one. And so this is what I used for the last day of the release, 3.75 by 4.75, and this is the card dies, and it has 7 in this set. So you can hopefully you can see all of those there. And it has stitching, little pattern, more stitching on that tag, and then pattern, stitching, and another pattern. Really cute, and you can interchange those to switch up things there. But really love that set. Okay, so day 1 we showcased the paper, the gnome dies, both sets. All right, so I am using the cue card die along with the add-ons, small flowers, and the foliage dies. and the bead eyes, because I used part of the antennas that were on her older set of bead eyes to complete that continuous pattern there. All right, and then I did color up the mustache on the gnome, added glossy accents on everything too, and there goes that beautiful sentiment set there. Love that, love the papers. And then I made this so it pulls out and then also layers perfectly on there, so I had to pop him up. If you can tell, I popped him up a little bit, and he just slides right back down in there. Really cute card. And here goes the inside. I did finish it off. Have some flowers in there as well. Really, really cute card. Love it. And then for this one, I used that large tag die again, the large treat bag, and I used the layering die for the tag. So love that as a tag. I am a tag person, so as soon as I seen it, I was just like, I'm going to use that as a tag. And that was her last month's release. But I used her heart alphabet dies to get that Nomi up there. And then wishing you the best day ever. And I forgot what set that came from, but it'll be linked down below. And then I also used the jar tags there. Just really cute. And that has like a leaf pattern on the back side, or a little pattern that's etched in there. And pop the gnome right on top. Just love it, love it, love it. Just super cute. Let me show you those colors of the markers that I use for the gnomes. So these are all the colors that I use to color up my gnomes. There, I think I'm missing one more color. Yes, missing the yellow. And that was Y02. And the pink is R85, and I'll have another gnome that I colored up. But those are the colors that I use. I really like both of these. And then on to the second day. So the second day we showcased the scallop, pretty scallop hearts. And so love these hearts. They're a nice size, nice and full, really, really pretty. So let's start off with this one. So I used that large treat bag again, and I used it as a card. So I used the outer layer, and I just trimmed off the bottom to make a card base, and I layered it up twice and just scored that right there, glued it to create a card. And I love how this turned out. Covered up the gnome. He's cute. I didn't want the mustache to be as dark, but I picked up the wrong color, so I had to go with it. But I think it still turned out cute. And of course I used a bunch of fun circles back there, one of my favorite dies back there. But I tell you, this large treat bag, you can do so much with that. So that's moving right up into the top spot. I love that right there. And then love the little sentiment dies there too. And then what I use for the inside of the card, as you can see, perfect layering there. What I did was I took the inside tag layer and I just flipped it around and laid it across to just trim right across the top of that, and it gave me the perfect size for the inside of the card. So really cute. And so for this card, really like this card, really elegant to me. And what I did was I tried to imitate these flowers here, and I used the layers to the butterflies for the flower tops that I put there, and I thought that turned out really pretty. Love how the black made it, gave it an impact. So really like that. I used the butterfly dies that she came out with last year, just really pretty. I thought that turned out gorgeous, and I did accent that with some little crystal dots there that I picked up, and just really like that. Haven't finished off the inside of the card yet, but I will. Just really, really pretty. So that was day 2. And then these are what I created for day 3. And when I say I love that 3.75 by 4.75 card base, I cannot tell you how much I love that. I thought I would throw in a masculine card, and then of course 2 little cute cards. But let's start with the masculine card. So I interchanged layers, so it would be more masculine look, not using the scallops. I did want to use that tag, so I went ahead and grabbed that tag. The For You came from her holiday envelope, and then I accented that with some honeycomb enamel dots. I thought that put a little twist on things for a mail card. Really, really cute. It says For You, and then so the inside I have an envelope so you can pack some money in there. And then I also layered up one of the layers from that cute card, from the card die set. So really pretty there. And then This one I thought I would turn it into an A2 size card. And then what I did was I grabbed that XOXO border frame die to layer behind the scallops. And then this is the actual base that came with it. I also used, cut out the scallops in white. And then I just layered this die right on top of there to make sure everything kind of lined up and was cohesive with the paper. And then that's those flower papers, just really cute. And I grabbed those bumblebees from last year and just inked up the faces and turned out super cute. I love this card, love this die set here. It's just super cute. Oh, this is A2 and this is the size difference if you use the actual card base that it was intended for. So that's the size difference. I like that size, super cute, perfect for gift giving. And then I thought I would go ahead with that last one and pull out those Easter bunnies because Easter is just right around the corner. And I thought I would use her. I did take a page out of a Shabby Pink House book, Christine, and she doubled up her little pads in the feet, and that's just what I did. It makes a little impact. I like that tip, Christine, and so I thought I would try that too. And I just inked up the little face, added some gel pen, and added some freckles there. Adorable. And then I used the layers that came with the card for her. Just adorable, adorable. And then there goes the end. So those are all of my projects for this month's release. Adorable, adorable release. Make sure you use MOE, M-O-E, to get 15% off your total purchase. Make sure you head on over and get to shop, and this is an adorable release and it's sure to go. All right, thanks so much everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.